Applying for a Tesco Clubcard is straightforward. First, who's eligible? Anyone 16 or older with a UK address can apply. You can sign up online at tesco.com/clubcard, download the Tesco app on iOS or Android, or pick up a physical card in store. The online and app methods require providing basic details like your name, email, and address. After verifying your account via email or SMS, you'll instantly gain basic membership. In store, simply scan the physical card at the till and then link it to an online account later to unlock full features. The sign-up process takes just a few minutes, and you can select preferences for tailored offers. If you're already a Tesco Bank customer, you can even auto-link your accounts for bonus points. Remember, opting for a digital-only card helps reduce plastic waste. Once you have a club card, you will be able to earn loads of benefits. For every £1 you spend at Tesco, whether it's in-store, online, or even on fuel, you earn 1 club card point. Accumulate 150 points, and you can redeem them for a £5 voucher. But the benefits don't stop there. Clubcard Boosts offer personalized deals, giving you 2x to 10x points on specific items like baby products or eco-friendly goods each week via the app. You'll also gain access to exclusive offers like early bird deals, lower free delivery thresholds, and partnerships for discounted cinema tickets. Plus, look out for birthday treats and referral bonuses. Tesco is also focusing on sustainability, so you can earn Planet Points for recycling or choosing low-emission products. Integration with Tesco Bank can provide even more rewards, like extra points on groceries when using your Tesco Bank card.